Okay, YouTube, we're here at the Rio Grande, New Jersey location. Here we are. Here's the Carnival, and we got some friends. Who should we do first? I guess Ringmaster, since he's closer. Let's try him out. Is he working? Oh, there he goes.
Welcome to the Carnival. My friends are going to show you a scary good time.
There he goes. Well, he's kind of leaning back a little bit, but you can see the projection. It's kind of... I'm just going to say this. The white fabric does not really work in the daylight because you can't really see it too good, but I guess that doesn't really matter since... But if you buy it, you'll be using it in the dark for Halloween. Here is Ghostface. Try him out. Good old Ghosty. And he's got the aged mask and the Buck 120 instead of the machete that he never uses and the plucky mask. But we're not going to bash him. Not going to bash him. We like Ghostface. So, we got some animatronics here. And this is actually, other than Flagship, my first time seeing a Dark Princess in another Spirit location. This is Dark Princess. So let's try her out. Oh, that is cool. Really sweet. And then they have Tallulah. I think her step pad's... Oh, there she goes. Her step pad's on the other side. She's hopped. She's cool, though. Really cool. Then here is the Wheel of Fate. See what we get. See what we get. Oh. Congrats, you get to live. Yes. Thank God. Oh, here's this guy over here. And by the way, they have some inbox props. They have a Grave Watcher. They have a couple sitting scarecrows. The regular one and the scary one. There's another regular one there. And under him's Barnaby. And then they have the dog, Bubba. So, it's a smaller location, but they got, I mean, animatronic-wise, they got pretty much everything. So, here's Max Straw. That's cool. Really cool. And now, as you can see, the store isn't that tall, so they don't have giant Death Ray. I think they have them in box, but they don't have them out. So instead, they got this guy, which is Demonic Gatekeeper. So let's plug him in, or step on him, basically. And he's quite big. Like, he's massive. Look at his face compared to my hand. And then look at his hands, too. That is really cool. Is it the best thing this year? No, but it's fine, I guess. Then, here is Art, the infamous Art the Clown. With his glasses on. Really cool. Then they have Cremator. Try him out. And he just lights up and talks. Really cool. Really cool. Art's just honking his horn away. So. Now, this is the first time I've seen this. Besides Flagship, they have both Emily and Victor. So, let's try them.
With this candle, I will light your way in darkness.
Really cool.
With this ring, I ask you to be mine.
Really sweet. And there goes, hold on, Emily's gonna go in about any second. On former side chick. Shout out Mac Ralston. So, here's Bobby Strings. Really cool. I hate the voice, but he looks fine, I guess. As you all know, there's Will in the circus mirror. Here is Barnaby. Barnaby the bear. He's cool. Then we gotta go to the fun house. We'll see Nibbles in a sec, but I gotta smell the cotton candy. Oh yeah. Now they don't have the full roof up. Like I said, the store's shorter, keep in mind, so there's not really, I will. They don't have the full thing, but still, it's still cool. But they do have the cotton candy. There's the boxes right there, which you can get on Froggy's Fog. Froggy'sFog.com, in case you were wondering. But look at clown face. So then there's more inbox props. And here's Cotton Candy Dan, which is growing on me. I don't know if I'm going to get him in the future, if I can get my hands on him, but he's really cool.
We've added some new ingredients. I think you're gonna like it.
Cool. Awesome. Yeah, I love his jump scare. His jump scare is really awesome. And they have this up too, but it's not, it doesn't activate her. She's just on sensor, which I don't think it does. Yeah, no. I don't think it did. Yeah, I think she's just on sensor, but that's still pretty cool. And here's Nibbles. He's cool. Wonderful. Hold on. Come on, Nibbles. You gonna follow? He's looking at something. Maybe not. Maybe not. So, holy crap. They have baby art. Look at him. It's my first time seeing baby art in person, and he's adorable. That is amazing. They also have baby Michael and baby Ghostface. Why is he happy? Ghostface isn't happy. There's Pennywise down here. But that's really cool. Also have some Jack the Reapers, which are really cool. Looks like they just got a truck in too, so they're unpacking more. But oh, look at the animals. This is really cool. The snail. That is really awesome. Look at the skull and the shell. That's cool. And here's the lab rat, and the squirrel, and the bunny, and the dog, and the raven, or the crow. I think it's a crow. Yeah, it's a crow. Crow, a cat, another cat, more cats, and then this. What is this? A scorpion? Yeah. That's pretty cool. So then they got more spiders right here. Then they also have, they do have a death ray, which is right there. But like I said, the store is too short to fit him. So, yeah. And then over here we have Monk Baby, Hauntformer's name for this zombie baby. Then we have Spider Biter Billy from every year. Oh, this is really cool too. Wow, that's really good material. It's a Medusa skull. I think that's what it is.
Baby Michael Myers.
No, it's an octopus skull. It looks like Medusa, but okay. And then here's a rat baby. And then Gutsy Gwen. Is she working? No. Oh, she's got a wire problem going on here. Then here's another baby. Snackin' Stevie. I think that's his name, yeah. So, and here's this one. Hiding Harry. This one's new. Is it working? Oh, wait, you gotta pull the tab. Come on, there we go. Okay. He's All right, it's enough laughing. Then here is what's this one's name? Barbara Wire. Sweet. Pretty cool. It's rather surprising too. They have a Nibbles, an in-box Nibbles. If you're near the Rio Grande location and want Nibbles, come get them. And they also have posable skeletons and a gravestone ghoul right there. And they got dog costumes, which are amazing. Dogs are great. Better than humans. Packing more stuff out, but I want to come over here to the home decor. They have these. I've never seen these. I didn't even know these existed. These porch buddies. They're kind of like blow molds almost. They got a Ghostface and a Sam. And then they also, I didn't know this existed either. Excuse me, good guy doll. This, this statue of Sam, which is really cool. That's not cool, $60, but that's amazing, though. That's really freaking cool. Good collector piece if you're a big trick-or-treat or horror fan. And they have the bobbleheads. And this is a light, a projection light. And then they have a globe. Oh, that's not working. What about the Pennywise? Oh, yep. I gotta hold it. Which is really cool. Oh, look at this. This is from last year, I believe. The Michael Myers bobblehead when he's hiding behind the bushes. So, really neat. And here's the good guy doll. And there's Glenn, Annabelle, and Sam. So, then look at this. Got a lot of cool pictures, too. Art Krispies. That's amazing. They really should come out with their own cereal. So, here's Deadpool. That's cool. And here's Nightmare Before Christmas. And then behind here's Jason. Oh, look at Beetlejuice. Beetlejuice, Pennywise, Art, Sam, Leatherface, Michael, American Gothic, Halloween. And then this is a cool Texas Chainsaw Massacre picture. And then we got Frankenstein. So, and then look at this picture. Live, laugh, stab. Huh. Pretty cool. Oh, and they got Big Top Burger. Huh. And then this is the Dairy, It, Funhouse, Pennywise, yada yada. And Shining. Oh God, what is this? The original horror. That's cool. That is awesome. Yeah, that's cool. Look at it. I think it's, what is it? Wolfman, Creature, Frankenstein, and Dracula. That is sweet. I also have this bug picture. You got a spider, I think that's a cockroach, and I don't know what the heck that is, but I'm not a bug expert, but that's cool. And then, oh, this is, so they do have the neon signs. So they got the Mars, no, not Mars Attacks. That's Mars Attacks. They got Killer Clowns, Mars Attacks, and then, yeah, just those two. But those are really freaking cool. And then look at this picture. In case of possession, break glass. That's sweet. Ooh, that's cool. Look at that picture. They got the skull. And I don't know what that is. Like some sort of witch or something. That's cool though. And there's another bug picture. That's sweet. Look at that. It's a moth. Kind of reminds me of the Bray Wyatt logo. By the way, R.I.P. Bray Wyatt. If you're a wrestling fan, you'll get it. So, oh God, what are these things? Those are cool. Oh, they have a pumpkin one too. So, that's pretty sweet. Then right here, they actually have books. I think they're boxes. They're not actual books, but yeah, you can store stuff in them. Look at this one. Here's a moth. So then over here, they have Little Ghost. I think he's working. No. Yeah, you probably got to pull the tab. I don't feel like doing that. But, yeah. So, I have the barrier of merchandise right here, but I can reach it. Here's Gizmo. Hold on. There he goes. Look at that. That's amazing. That's cool. There's the statues with the awesome pumpkin. And Ghostface, who has a pumpkin, which doesn't really make too much sense, but maybe it does. Who knows? And more sidesteppers, too. So, here's all the masks. I love masks. They got the devil with hands. They got a bloody art. They got Michael, devil skull. They got Will. Then they got more over here too. Then here's a lot of licensing masks too. Billy, Michael, Chucky, Leatherface from the second movie. That's actually a really good mask. I like that. Trick or Treat Studios. Okay, okay. So, yeah, really cool. So, this is a smaller store, but they have everything, basically. So, yeah, this is the Rio Grande NJ location. If you're near, come by, check it out. But, yeah, I will be doing more content. More videos are coming. Stay tuned. Like, rate, comment, and subscribe. All that fun stuff. And I'll see you guys later. Peace. Say bye, guys.